Welcome to the Fertilizer Academy training course, Urea Plant Process Units, Beginner Training. This course provides a structured overview of the key sections involved in urea production and explains how they operate together as an integrated and balanced process system. This training course is structured into a series of lessons that follow the process flow of a urea production plant. The course comprises a total of 10 lessons. Below is a brief overview of the contents of all lessons. Lesson 1. Introduction. In this lesson, the objectives and scope of the course are defined. The overall structure and sequence of the subsequent lessons are introduced, and the main urea process flow configurations that will be covered in this course are outlined. Lesson 2. Main process sections. In this lesson, we focus on the main process sections of the urea plant, presented in the form of an overall block flow diagram. This overview provides the basis for a more detailed study of each process section in the subsequent lessons. Lesson 3. Commercial urea processes. In this lesson, we review the evolution of industrial urea plant designs and compare the main commercial process concepts. The lesson explains why modern urea plants are designed according to their current process principles. Lesson 4. Ammonia and carbon dioxide feed preparation. This lesson covers the preparation of ammonia and carbon dioxide streams supplied to the urea synthesis section. The sources of the feed components, the main feed quality requirements, and the key operating parameters of the streams directed for further processing are reviewed. Lesson 5. High-pressure synthesis section. This lesson focuses on the high-pressure synthesis section of a urea plant, where urea is formed from ammonia and carbon dioxide. The main reactions, operating conditions, and the role of key equipment in the synthesis process are introduced. Lesson 6. Recycle sections. Ammonia and CO2 recovery. This lesson covers the recycle sections of a urea plant, where unreacted ammonia and carbon dioxide are recovered and returned to the synthesis loop. Lesson 7. Evaporation and concentration sections. This lesson focuses on the evaporation and concentration sections of a urea plant, where the urea solution is concentrated to the required level. The main process principles, operating conditions, and the role of these sections in preparing the product for final processing are introduced. Lesson 8. Prilling and granulation sections. This lesson covers the prilling and granulation sections of a urea plant, where the molten urea is converted into solid product. The basic process principles, main equipment, and differences between prilling and granulation are introduced. Lesson 9. Hydrolysis and desorption section. This lesson focuses on the hydrolysis and desorption section of a urea plant, where nitrogen-containing components are removed from process water streams. The main process principles and the role of this section in reducing losses and preparing water for further handling are introduced. Lesson 10. Plant utilities and supporting systems. This lesson covers the main utility and supporting systems of a urea plant that ensure reliable and continuous operation. The role of utilities such as steam, cooling water, instrument air, and other auxiliary systems is introduced. End of content.